Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm diving into one of my favorite vegetables to pickle, zucchini. This is a quick refrigerator pickle packed with fresh dill, garlic and a hint of sweetness. These are perfect for salads, sandwiches or just as a snack. So what we'll need for this recipe is 700 to 800 grams of zucchini. I made some curry over the weekend and this is what was left over. So we're making a quick pickle. Half a cup of white wine vinegar, but you don't have to use white wine vinegar if you don't want to. You can use normal distilled vinegar, white vinegar, which I've used in the past and it's actually worked well. A quarter cup sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, chopped, 1 teaspoon salt, a quarter cup sugar, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns. We're adding to this, to the brine, we'll be adding half a cup of water. What you can also do is add some yellow mustard seeds when you add your peppercorns. So let's just add a teaspoon of this today. And then of course, our favorite, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Let's get started. Firstly, we'll cut our zucchini. Let's cut it into spears. Let me just give you a tip. When you cut these, cut them even, same sizes, so that they pickle evenly. It makes a big difference in the texture. This is such a quick and easy recipe. You just cut up your zucchini and you put in the brine, and that's it. So next, let's make our brine. In a pot, let's add our vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and peppercorns, and of course, the mustard seeds. Quarter cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, our black peppercorns, and let's just add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds today. And now we'll bring this to simmer until everything is dissolved. This brine gives your zucchini that perfect balance between sweet and sour. My brine is ready. You will notice that my brine is very dark, and that's because I used brown sugar. You don't have to, you can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, it doesn't make a difference. Just the color of your brine will be a bit darker if you use the brown sugar. So now for the fun part. Let's layer our zucchini with some garlic and dill in our bottles, and then we cover all of that with the brine. So I've added all my zucchini to the jar, and there's some head spaces at the top for our brine. So the next step is to top it up with brine. We've got them covered in brine. Let's pop on the lid and let it completely cool down. So we've sealed the lid. Let's just invert it once or twice to mix all our spices in our brine. Let it cool down completely, stick it in the fridge. They'll be ready to eat in about 24 hours. I would suggest letting them rest in the fridge for 4 to 5 days for the best flavor ever. These will last in the fridge for about 3 to 4 months. If they last that long, there you have it. This pickled zucchini is perfect to add a lovely crunch to any meal. Remember what I said, the longer they sit, the better they get. So thank you for joining me today. If you love a tangy, crunchy snack, then this quick pickle zucchini is a must try. Let me know in the comments below how yours turned out. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy pickling. See you in the next video. Bye.